back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Taisha, aka Ty, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this pretty green eye. It's finally spring in New York, so I felt like it would be a perfect time to do something colorful and bright. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. So I'm starting out with my LA Pro Girl concealer, and I'm just going to put that all over my eyes for a base. Now I'm just setting that base. Today I'm using my Ben Nye banana powder. As you know, whatever highlighter I put on my face, that's what I use in my brow bone. So I'm using my lemonade powder from Lena Lashes. Now going into my Morphe palette, I'm going to use a shade that's close to my complexion. It's a nice soft brown. I'm going to put that in my crease. Now I'm taking a shade that's just a little bit darker and I'm going to blend that in my crease as well. The reason why I'm not saying exact colors that I'm using is just because you can use any palette to create this look. I'm still going to put down in the description box what I'm using, but you can use any palette that you have at home to create this look. Now I'm grabbing my Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I'm going to take this green color and I'm going to put it all over my lid. I'm actually going to try to go just a little bit higher than my lid, but not too high. Just because I wanted my eye to look just a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm just going to blend out all around where I put that green at, just so it's a smooth transition from the green to the brown. I don't want you to see where one color stops and the next one starts. Now I'm going to take some concealer and I'm going to place that right in the middle so that when I put a lighter color in the middle, you can really see it and it'll really pop up. Now I'm going to take this light green shade and I'm going to put that right on top of the concealer. I didn't put any base on the concealer because I wanted this shadow to show really bright, and when you put it right on the concealer, it shows up more. And I'm just going to go back and forth for blending this out just because I don't want any harsh lines. So I'm going to go back and forth between that light green and that dark green just to blend it out so it's a smooth transition between the two colors. And I felt like this eye needs to be smoked out just a little bit, so I went in there with the black, but I only put very little of that on there, and then I blended that out. Now let's get into face. I'm using my Maybelline Superstay foundation in the shade Toffee, and I'm going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going in with my LA Pro Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I'm just going to put that under my eyes, down my nose, my forehead, and around my mouth. Taking my black Opal foundation stick in the shade Hazelnut, I'm going to use that to contour my face. So as you see, I'm putting it on my cheekbone and also down my nose and on my forehead. And I'm going to speed this up a little bit. I'm just going to take my beauty blender and I'm going to blend everything all out smoothly. So today I'm going to be using my Ben Nye banana powder to set my under eye. Normally I use my Sacha Buttercup, but today I felt like trying this one out again, and I liked it. Now I'm going in my MAC Mineralize Skinfinish just to set the rest of my face. Taking my black Radiance pressed powder in the shade Hazelnut, I'm just going to contour my cheekbones and my forehead again. Now I'm just going to contour my nose, so I'm using a smaller blending brush to do this, and then I'm going to go on my beauty blender just to blend it out so it won't look so harsh. And I'm going in with my favorite highlighter palette, which is Lena Lash's Lemonade palette. If you watch my channel, you guys know I love this. And I'm going in with my favorite blush, which is MAC's Peachtwist. I'm going to put that on my cheeks. Now I'm going to take that same dark green and I'm going to put that on my waterline. And then I'm going to take that light green shade that I put in the middle of my eye. I'm going to put that right in my tear duct. Now I'm just going in with the regular old eyeliner that I got from Beauty Supply store, and I'm going to put that on my waterline as well. I'm going to apply my lashes off camera, and now you see here I'm just spraying my face with my MAC Fix Plus to set everything in place. So for lips, today I'm using my NYX Catsuit in the shade Beauty Mark. And now I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills liquid lipstick in the shade Hudson. And I'm just going to put that in the center just to give it a little ombre. And this is the finished look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys do want to try this look, let me know. Please tag me on pictures. Let me know if you guys try it. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.